I've got a little gizmo here that makes it really easy to recycle plastic pop bottles. Now what we're looking at is the H2O Boy, and it's just a little coupler here that connects your hose to a plastic pop bottle. Now you can actually use a 1 or a 2 liter bottle, and you'll notice here that on here, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a place marked for the hose, and it also comes with washers, so you get a really good fit with it. Then what you do with your pop bottle is you actually poke some holes in here, and let me see if I can, there we go. I've come along with a thumbtack and poked several different holes here. You could do any kind of pattern that you wanted to. Now the smaller the holes, you'll get kind of a mist type of an effect with it. If you put larger holes in there, it's going to be more like a sprinkler type effect, and you can use this as a water sprinkler or a mister, you know, to keep you cool. And kids, it can be really fun for them to play with. It's basically a very cheap sprinkler and you're recycling. Now after you've poked the holes in there, you just connect it to the hose, and you want to make sure that the hose is 80 psi or less, because you don't really want to explode your pop bottle. And then you just turn on the water and you get a nice stream, and here we've got it kind of in a mist type effect. But this is a really good way to recycle, and it's kind of fun. You can do different patterns with it. Now these are available at the Atwoods in Oklahoma and also at TLC, so you might try getting one of these inexpensive things and recycling some of your pop bottles.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.